Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to allow Roblox to access your camera on your Android device, ensuring you get the best out of your gaming experience. Let's dive into the setup. First, grab your Android device and head over to the Settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you will find all your installed applications. Now, locate the Roblox icon and give it a gentle tap. Once you're in the Roblox settings, look for the Permissions option. This section controls what the app can access on your device. You'll see a list of permissions, so go ahead and tap on Camera. This is crucial for enabling camera access in Roblox. Finally, you need to decide how you want to grant this access. Tap on Allow Only while using the app. This way, Roblox can use your camera when you're in the app, keeping your privacy intact when you're not. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy Roblox with full camera access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.